We've got some snow to move, so let's take care of that with the John Deere 2320 and the 47-inch front mount snowblower. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Recently we got a lot of snow, and by a lot I mean we got over 3 feet of snow in the last week. In a span of 2 days we got over 24 inches, and on either side of that storm I think we got about 6 inches before that and 7 inches afterwards. Now I've got a Ford F350, it's a 97 with a straight blade plow on it, and it does a pretty good job of keeping our driveway clear, but every time I look at it, it seems like something else breaks or falls apart. It's in pretty rough shape. So last winter, after a big snowstorm, we bought this John Deere 2320 with a front mount snowblower just to help us take care of our driveway. We've got a really long driveway, and the idea was that hopefully this would help alleviate some of our problems. Last winter we had a big snowstorm, and we had to hire a cat loader come dig us out because the plow just couldn't get through it. So for this big snowstorm, I plowed just about every hour for 9 hours straight, trying to keep the driveway clear. It was snowing so bad at one point that I couldn't even see the road, and I ended up burying the the plow truck in the snow. I got it stuck and I couldn't get out. At that point I abandoned the truck. I didn't even bother trying to dig it out. I ran back to the house and got the tractor. I started snowblowing the driveway, and I think I made about 6 passes, and I was snowblowing for about an hour just trying to keep the driveway clear. And I realized quickly that I was going to run out of fuel and then I'd be in big trouble. So I decided that I would go to bed and see what the storm was going to offer, and I would try to fight my way out in the morning. So early in the morning I got up and I started snowblowing. We had well over 2 feet all the way across the driveway and the entire length of it. This snowblower worked pretty well. I was able to punch my way all the way out to the road, and it cut through 2 feet of snow, and I was pretty impressed. It took about 2 hours to make the first pass, but each subsequent pass got easier as the volume decreased. Now this snowblower works better with increased volume, and I found that it works better when the snow is colder. It's a little bit more crystallized and finer, but overall I was pretty impressed. Now going forward, the plan is to use the plow truck just to wing the snow back to the sides, and then, as you can see what I'm doing in this video here, just kind of clean it up and make sure that the banks don't encroach upon our driveway too much. The snow drifts cause a problem, so hopefully this will alleviate some of that. I think going forward I'd still like to get a bigger tractor, probably with a plow in the front to replace the plow truck and a 3-point snowblower on the back. I think that might suit our needs a little bit better, but for the time being this tractor with the snowblower works surprisingly well. We do have a soft side cab with a small little heater that keeps you somewhat warm, but I still get pretty cold, and we still get a little bit of snow inside when you're blowing. So in the grand scheme of things, we were able to avoid a $600 cat loader bill to dig us out, and the snowblower got us out, which is why we got it in the first place. Now I did have some trouble with it traction wise. I've only got turf tires on here for the time being, so if we decide to keep it and this is going to be our long-term solution, I'm going to have to get some egg tires. And also steering is an issue. With that much snow and even just cutting the sides, it tends to suck you into the snowbank, so you have to steer with the independent brakes as opposed to the steering wheel, and that works pretty well, but mostly just the traction issue. So next time we get a big storm, I'll do another follow-up video kind of highlighting how it works with a larger volume and deeper snow. I just wanted to show you guys kind of how this tractor works with the snow that we had. So remember to like and subscribe for future tractor videos and snow blowing videos, and thanks for watching.